ladies, it's Dazzlinglatte and welcome to my beauty haul. Okay, so first we have Dollar Tree. I got my Minions reusable bag. Okay, so everything's $1 at Dollar Tree. First thing I got, oh my gosh, this is so cute. This is so cute. Okay, I'm gonna put this on the floor. This is so cute. It's LA Colors. This is meant to be macaroon scented. It's a scented lip balm. It's mint scented, but it's like shaped like a macaroon, and I thought it was so cute, and it was the last one there. It's so cute. It's so cute. Next I got the Color Workshop Poolside Glam. It's like a high shine lip gloss, and I don't know what shade it is in. I don't know if I could see that, but it's like a gold color, and I thought it looked really cute. I thought, you know, I don't think I have any gold lipsticks, so, you know, or gold lip glosses yet, so want to try that on out. Oh, and another gold thing I got was also from the Poolside Glam. It looks like it's a collection. Is this cute eyeshadow. It's more of like a yellow, like kind of a gold yellow type thing. I really like it. Oh, and something on the back of this. I did not know that the Color Workshop was they don't test on animals. I don't know if not tested on animals. I thought that was cute. Nice. Next I got Bolero vanilla sugar raspberry body scrub, because I love body scrubs. It feels nice. It's like, you know, just get in there. Clean that, you know, scrub. Oh god, I don't know what's wrong with me today. Okay, finished product not tested on animals. I have no idea what that means, but I think it's not tested on animals. Anyways, I want to kind of see how it smells. Okay, I'm gonna take off the little foil thing. I'm trying to get it open. Okay, let me get this open. Okay, how am I gonna get this open? Okay, maybe I could just... Okay, there we go, that worked. Not too much of a smell. Oh gosh. So like... Okay, I can see it now. It's a very subtle smell, though. I don't smell the raspberry as much as the vanilla sugar, but it does smell kind of nice. Next, I got LA Colors Loose Face and Body Shimmer and Sugar Dust. It's like this white color, and it's all sparkly and shiny. I just want to be really shiny. Next, oh, I thought this was cute. It had some, I really like blue eyeshadows, so I got this. Oh, and that purple one looks really cute. Garden Party. Oh, so that's the name of the palette, and then the brand is Color Mates. So yeah, and it says cruelty free right on the back. That's so cute. Okay, so yeah, these two products I did not see. They didn't say cruelty free on the back. I'm pretty sure LA Colors is a cruelty free brand, though. Next, I got LA Colors Shimmer Eyeliner in Teal Bling, and it has like glitter. It has glitter on it. I thought that was cute, and I thought the pencil was really cute, like the way it's shaped. Okay. Next, I got Wet n Wild. It's like 2 lipsticks in one. Oh, it says cruelty free right on the front. A little bunny. Okay, light berry frost. And that would be this one. And then Honolulu is calling, and that would be this one. So yeah, it's like a red and a pink lipstick. Wet n Wild is always like a really good brand. Like, their lipsticks are the best. Not the best smelling. LA Colors always has the best smelling lipsticks. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Sinful Colors. They have some like lip glosses. I'm wearing some right now. It smells like cake. I really like it. Okay, so that's it for Dollar Tree. Kroger, I actually got some hair care stuff at Kroger. There's like a you buy 3 items, and if it totals over $10, you get $3 off. So I got Schwarzkopf Got to Be in amethyst chrome. I thought it was really cute. It's like a purple color. For the life of me, I cannot see like a cruelty-free thing on it. I don't think it's cruelty-free. I'm not sure. But yeah, I didn't know that when I bought it. But I'm gonna try it out and see if it works out. That should be the color that my hair will be. You can see it's fading. Like, my hair is fading the color, and I kind of wanted to do something nice with it. So yeah, that was $11. And then I got a shampoo and a conditioner. They're both 89 cents, so these were actually free, and then the hair dye kit was discounted with like the $3 off. Anyways, VO5 strawberries and cream with soy milk protein shampoo and conditioner. And oh my gosh, I love strawberry scented things. If I remember it. Oh yeah. Oh, I got some on my thumb. But yeah, their products, like if it says it's scented with something, it's scented. Like, if this is strawberry scented, let me tell you. But yeah, I was actually out of shampoo, so that works out. But yeah, tonight I'm gonna wash my hair, and I'm pretty sure, okay, I'm gonna wash my hair tonight, get it all conditioned, and then tomorrow I'm probably gonna try this on out. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed my little haul. Yeah, I got a lot. I got some good Black Friday deals. It wasn't as stressful as I thought it would be. Those stores weren't as packed at like 1 in the morning. But I'm so tired. I'm drinking an energy drink. Oh, Rockstar X-Durance Super Sours Green Apple. I think that's my new favorite flavor. Oh. But yeah, I'm just really energized and just kind of nervous but energetic, but I can't get words out of my mouth. So yeah, I'm just really excited about all the new products I got. Especially this is so cute. It's so cute. But yeah, if you want to like see a makeup look with any of this, I know I'm definitely going to be trying all of it out. I really want to do like for New Year's Eve. Like, I think these would be really cute for a makeup look. So yeah. For now, you have to go, but until the next time, so silly to you and your pirate crew.